Hey guys, this is going to be a soft glam look with some glitter liner. To begin with, we're going to prime our face with the POREfessioal Pearl Primer by Benefit. And then for foundation, we're using the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream Foundation in the color Cashmere. And we're just going to blend that all out with the Real Techniques body and face sponge, not face guys. And then for the eyelids, we're going to put some Too Faced Shadow Insurance. And we're just going to put that on so it dries completely before we move on to eyeshadow. And for concealer, we're going with the Benefit Boiing Concealer in the number 01. And yes, that is the old packaging. I believe it's in a new package, but I still have that, so I'm still using it. And here I'm just showing you that I'm gonna blend that out with the Real Techniques, their regular sponge. And then to set that, I'm gonna use the Tarte Amazonian Clay finishing powder, and I'm just gonna set that where I want to have it like baking for a little bit. And then moving on to eyeshadow, we're going to use this Too Faced Natural Matte eyeshadow palette, which I found at TJ Maxx, you guys, for $14.99. I'm pretty sure they still have some, so run to your local Marshalls or TJ Maxx and you should totally find it. They're beautiful colors. And the first color I'm going to use, I believe, is Cashmere Bunny, which is like a really light brown, and I'm going to use that to blend out into my crease. And then for the entire lid, I'm going to use that pinky brownie mauve color. I'm not sure of the color, but everything I don't know here, I will list all the names in the description bar below. And then for my outer V corner, I'm going to use that darker brown one. Again, I'll have the name down below because I don't know it by heart. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner and a little bit into the crease, but not even like hitting the middle of the crease, just like the outer part. For my brow bone, I'm going to use that white shade. And then for my liquid liner, I'm using two of them, one by Laura Geller, and then the other one is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. They're both in black. I use the Laura Geller for lining the entire along like the lashes, and then I use the NYX Epic ink liner for the wing part. And here I'm just dusting off all the finishing powder that I left on to bake for a little bit. And then I'm going to powder the rest of my face with the Benefit Hello Flawless powder in the color Never Settle Petal. And clearly I was feeling that song. And here is the glam part of the soft glam look. For me, it's the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner. I think that's what it's called. And I will have the name below. I think it's like Midnight Cowboy or something like that. And I'm just gonna line the entire glitter liner on top of the black liner from the inner corner to the wing girl. And for my brows, I'm going to use the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the color Brunette, and I'm just going to use that to fill in my natural brows. And here I'm just going to curl my eyelashes with the Tarte eyelash curler. And for mascara, I'm going to use two of them. We're going to use one from Tarte, the Gifted Amazonian Clay Mascara, and the MAC False Lashes Mascara. And the reason I use two is because I don't really like to wear false lashes, so I like to layer on the layers of mascara to give it more of a full and lengthening effect.
Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. Princess, I will let you go. Hi. There's nothing holding me back.
Going back to the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette, I'm just going to use two of those colors that I used already for my lower lash line, and I'm going to blend those both colors out, which is the darker brown that I use for my outer V and the lighter mauve color that I use for my lid. So I'm going to just tap my brush into both colors and blend it out on my lower lash line. And for my lower lashes, I'm just going to use the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Mascara. And for contouring and bronzing, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzing Powder. And I'm going to contour my nose, my cheekbones, and blend out some bronze up my temples and the bottom of my chin, and also the bottom of my bottom lip. I'm sorry, I'm getting like tongue-tied. And then for blush, I'm using the Clinique Cheek Pop in the color Nude Pop. And then for the highlight, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour highlighter. Again, I don't remember the name, but I'll have it down below. And clearly I didn't have enough highlight on, so I did a second layer of Becca highlight in the color Champagne Pop because I wanted to highlight for the gods, girl. And I'm just blending out the highlight here so it's not so harsh. And then I'm gonna spray some MAC Fix Plus in the coconut scent. And this is the look before I put on the lippy. I went to go change, put my hair down, girl. And for lippy, I'm using the Buxom Full On Lip Polish in the color Sophia, I believe. And this is like the tingly minty feeling one because it's a lip plumper. And I think it does work. It's not like a big difference, but it does work a little bit. I love them and they smell so good. And that's the look, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this soft glam makeup tutorial. If you guys recreate it, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I have all my social media in the description bar below, so go ahead and check that out and go follow me and tag me if you do recreate, like I said. And thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one.
I bought this one a purse. I bought this one a house. I bought this one a mall. I keep buying shit. Make sure you keep track of it all. I ain't talking about what they gon' be. I got high hopes for you niggas. We gon' see. Run up on me. Run up when you see me. We gon' see. City bitch, back, city bitch.